what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So y'all, my neighbors above me are very loud, so if you hear some yelling or screaming in the background, it's because my neighbors have kids and they're loud. There's nothing I can do about it. And it's very hard for me to film videos because they're on vacation right now and they're all home. So in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. It's technically not an unboxing because I opened the box already, but I didn't look inside yet. This is going to be a first impression slash unboxing slash review of a bag that I purchased. It is from Saint Laurent. I don't know if I'm going to put the name of the bag in the title or not. If not, or if so, then you probably already know what it is. If not, then you can keep watching this video. I know that a lot of people, they get tired of the stories in the beginning. They're like, girl, just do the unboxing, don't talk so much. But I had a bag from Michael Kors. Insert picture here. This is me and my mom. This is one of the only pictures I could find with me in this bag. And once you see this bag, you know what bag it's going to be that I got from Saint Laurent, I assume. I love this bag from Michael Kors. I randomly bought it one day because it was on sale. I loved it. Like if I could tell you, I wore this bag to the moon and back. That's not a real saying, but today it's going to be one. And I sold it, I think on Poshmark for like 40, 50 bucks to someone. And I had so much regret in selling this bag. And then I started looking for this bag over and over and over again, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Now the price difference is exponential. It's a very big price difference. I think I paid 100 max for the Michael Kors bag, and I think I paid less than 1,000 for this bag. I purchased it from Farfetch. I got a coupon, or I had a coupon code from an influencer that I follow. If I follow influencers and I want to buy something and they have a Farfetch code, I'm most likely going to use it. Everything was smooth this time with Farfetch. I know in my other video I said that they messed up a few times, which they have continuously messed up with me, but this time they redeemed themselves. It came extremely fast. It was very smooth, very easy. So yeah, with all that being said, we can get to the unboxing now, you guys. Like I said, I've opened the box already. I even took like the shipping label off so I can hold it properly, but I have not looked at the bag yet, if that makes sense. So you're seeing what I see for the first time. And yeah, this is how it came. Let me explain, because I'm a little disappointed with this bag. I'm hoping that there's another what is it called, dust bag inside of the bag, because that usually happens sometimes. Like they don't want the luxury designer brand dust bag to get ruined in transit or transportation, and so they put a no branded, no image, no name bag on top. But I'm very sad that I didn't get a box, because I saw a lot of people order from Farfetch and they got a box with their Saint Laurent order. I got nothing. I just feel like this takes away from all of the, how do you say, excitement behind luxury is the packaging. And when you just throw it in this black box or this black bag like this, there's like nothing special about this. I could get this bag from Walmart. Like, I know that's being very dramatic, but it's very true. I got it from Browns, I think is what it's called in the UK. And they included, which I never saw this before in my other purchases from Farfetch, they included like how much it cost for this bag. So they were only charged 700 bucks for this bag, and that means that they probably made almost 300 bucks profit if I'm reading the invoice correctly. So opening it up, sorry for talking y'all's heads off, I'm not impressed with this bag. Dun, 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 dun. Let me look at it, you guys, because like I said, this is the first time that I've looked at it. This is the strap, I guess. Okay, interesting. I'm not going to put that in just, well, maybe yes. There's a Farfetch sticker on it, very interesting. I'm just gonna put it like this first because I don't want to like ruin everything. The color looks a lot different. I don't know. Yeah, maybe that's the right color. This is what it looks like, you guys. In light, because I have soft boxes, so I think like this would be the real color of it, of what it looks like in person. But it looks a little different than online. Online it had a more yellowish, lighter tone. This is more of a beigey tone, but the color description of the bag online is beige. So I'm like confused. I'm confused because I don't know if it's like the right, oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. Oh no. I just noticed something. Hey, I'm gonna show you guys. Wait. Do you guys see that? It's like a mark. It's like a, I don't know, hold on. I think it's too bright. Well, never mind, you guys. I guess this unboxing is done with then, because I'm definitely going to send it back. It has a mark. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's burnt or something, or like there's dye on it or paint on it, and it's not coming off if I rub it. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, what is this? Wait. No. There's like holes in the stitching. I don't think there's supposed to be that big of holes, right? Y'all, am I crazy? This bag is not supposed to be like this, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna open it. I guess I'm just gonna pull through with this unboxing them, even though I'm gonna return it. This is ridiculous. Well, I was right about the dust bag. It comes with a Saint Laurent dust bag. It comes with an authenticity card. I'm really disappointed, like extremely disappointed. This is, and also on the sides, there's like, I don't know if it's glue or fabric coming off of the bag, and there's like fabric on the actual metal of the bag. I guess that's gonna be like the end of this video, because this is really, really bad quality, really bad craftsmanship. Even the stitches here on the back are coming undone. What is this? Oh my gosh, and I'm noticing all of these little problems with it. Ew, why would they even send this to me? This bag is so expensive. My Michael Kors bag was better quality than this, seriously, and I paid a fraction of the price. See, this is why. No, this, I don't know if it's Farfetch's fault or if it's the other place's fault, but every single time I order something from Farfetch, there is an issue. So, okay, well then that's it, you guys. I'm so sorry. I did not know that this was going to happen. I was very excited actually about this bag because I wanted a new camera bag, but I guess I'm gonna stick to the brands that I love, which are Louis Vuitton. I tried to be different. I tried to step out of the box, and this is what I got, horrible quality. Okay, whatever. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm really sad about this. Okay, bye.